It's been a pretty crazy but wonderful 48 hours for us Bitcoin traders. We have got the volatility absolutely back, right? With a new all-time high printed on Bitcoin, followed by a big, massive, quick 15% move to the downside. That would have liquidated a lot of people for sure. Followed by a V-shaped reversal, heading back up towards new all-time highs again right now. I want to spend a few minutes here really educating you, teaching you, so you can take the knowledge and insights that I will share with you here and implement this into your future trades. So when you get such volatility, you will be prepared and able to extract profits from this, while the others will be calling manipulation or just simply confused, not able to comprehend or understand how and why these moves are happening. You will be able to sit there calm, collected with your plan and make profits. That's my mission. That's the goal. Let's get started. So first of all, let's explain then just in a few minutes of how and why these moves happened. So I want to share with you a plan that I laid out to my champions. The latest plan that I gave was back here to the champion members, where of course I do my daily live stream updates, but I also do a written plan. So 2 days ago, prior to this, I gave a written plan to the champions in the Discord, where I go over the context where at the time we were getting a visible rejection from the weekly. And as you remember, if you watch along on YouTube too, I told everybody not shorting this weekly. Personally, I am not taking the weekly short, even though there is an acceptable short trade. I am not taking it. Why? Because I am expecting new all-time highs to come. I was long and chill, patient, in all my longs, in no shorts at all, waiting for the $69,200 on Bybit to make a new all-time high. It took just over 24 hours, right? But we got it. We got a new all-time high. We hit 69,200, and that is where I laid out the plan for the short trade. A swing failure pattern at 69,200 gives us a short trade. This was on the 4th. Yesterday on the 5th, I emphasized this to my team. Get the swing failure pattern of all-time high. We take the short trade. We've made it very clear. We are prepared and planned. As you can see, swing failure pattern, all-time high, 69,200. It's the level that we're prepared and waiting for. You get a swing failure pattern, you take a short trade, right? That is because you've got the plan, you've got the levels, you've got everything laid out to happily take that swing failure pattern at 69,200. A very nice reaction indeed, even on the 1 minute chart. So we get that, and then price falls heavily. You know, this is a 15% drop to the downside. You might think, wow, this is also many might be very confused. Why are we pivoting where we pivoted? Okay, and it all comes together and makes sense. So just as we short the reaction of the swing failure pattern, confirming to my team live in the time, right, as we're getting it, the patience paid off greatly for the all-time highs. We get the swing failure pattern. It gave us the short trade entry. Okay. We then looking down towards the lows. Remember in this same plan where I said the short will be at 69,200, I gave the first long opportunity at 59,987. What did we have here? We had a naked point of control. Of course, prior to this, a big confluence of support. And as we come down, we hit that very important naked point of control, 59,987. We once again get a very perfect reaction. Wick, swing failure pattern of previous lows, taking out 60,000 psychological, and I confirmed to my team live in the time again once here. As you see, long trade entry based off of that reaction. So you can see 2 days prior to the move, I planned out the exact area of the long, the exact area of the short. 1 day later, we confirm the short area and the long area of interest, and then live in the time on the 6th, as we get the swing failure pattern of 69,200, I confirm it's a nice short trade entry. We wait patiently for 15% drop to the downside, where we get the swing failure pattern onto the naked point of control, and I confirm to my team the long trade entry. And then that is really simply how we do it, from laying out the plan written to explaining the plan, you know, and emphasizing it in live streams, to then here you can see this is the way shorting all-time high swing failure patterns. While most are ultra bullish and FOMO, we are happily following our plan and taking our short trades at 69,200, down to the longs at the very low. When most are ultra bearish and scared, we are longing after a 15% drop to the downside with no fear, no hesitation, but following the original plan we laid out to long the naked point of control at $59,987. So you can see this is the importance of having a plan. This helps you remove those scared emotions that many will face. But by laying out the plans written, by emphasizing the plans in live streams, by confirming the trades when we get them in terms of the reactions for the short, as planned, I am taking. For the long, as planned, I am taking. It helps us to do exactly what we see here. Short the highs, long the lows, and extract a lot of profit along the way. So if that's of interest to you, if you want these written updates in the Discord with the daily plans, covering the context and the next opportunities, if you want the daily live stream updates, there's one place to be, chartchampions.com. I hope now I have brought some light to you of the market, of how it is not manipulation, it is not a confusion, it's simple technical analysis. Once you've got the levels, you've got the plans, you too can extract profits in this market while others will be confused and unable to explain what's happening. I can show you and explain what's happening and show you once more how these levels were given days in advance prior to being hit for timing the exact high and low of the market. Thank you ever so much. Love you all and hope I've been able to help and give a little bit of insights. If you want more, you know where to get it. chartchampions.com. Thank you ever so much and I'll see you inside of the Discord. Goodbye.